give me like a brief like a synopsis of like lesson 24.
Okay. Lesson 24, right?
Yeah,
The the technologies that have been used is Express, EJS layouts,
yeah,
Mongoose for database interactions,
yeah,
Passport for authentication middleware,
yeah.
um, sessions handling, uh, provide express validator. So what we'll do is that we'll provide form validation method override, which will allow HTML forms to send, put and delete requests, and also uh, has cookie passes for secure session handling.
Thank you for that brief synopsis. So my last video when I was going over lesson 24, I didn't actually introduce my navigator, but let me introduce him now. Right, my navigator is by name Dabo. He's my navigator. He's just navigating. The video that my last video that I made. But yeah, I just want him to give me a brief like synopsis of what's going on like lesson 24. So thank you very much. Take care, bless, and I'll see you in lesson 25.